telephone numbers. In this lesson, we will learn to ask for and give telephone numbers. If you were to say, "Could I have your telephone number?" that would be, すみませんが、あなたの電話番号は何番ですか？すみませんが、あなたの電話番号は何番ですか？ In this sentence, すみませんが means excuse me, but, and あなたの means your. 電話番号 means telephone number, and 何番 means what number? すみませんが、あなたの電話番号は何番ですか? To respond to the question, you would say, "Yes, my telephone number is 98325601." In Japanese, this would be, はい、私の電話番号は9832-5601です。In this sentence, はい means yes. 私の means my. No is used in the middle of a series of telephone numbers. Japanese telephone numbers consist of an area code, exchange number, and then subscriber's number. For example, if one tries to ring a number for Tokyo, and he is ringing from outside of Tokyo, he has to first dial 03. 03 is the area code of Tokyo. Osaka is 06, and Kyoto is 075.